Team introduction slides are more than just names and photos. They're a chance to highlight the unique skills and personalities of your team members. A great team slide not only showcases your team but also enhances your presentation's overall impact. In this tutorial, we'll use PowerPoint's powerful features to create a professional and engaging slide that will make your team shine. Welcome to PowerPoint Institute. Today, we're going to revolutionize how you introduce your team with a stunning PowerPoint slide, all in just 3 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure our canvas is ready. Right-click on the slide, select Layout, and choose Blank. This gives us a clean slate to work with. Next, insert a picture from your device. This image will serve as the background for our slide. Once your image is in, click on it, go to Crop, select Aspect Ratio, and choose 16:9. Drag the image to cover the entire slide for a vibrant background. Now let's add a spotlight effect. Go to Insert, select Shapes, and choose the donut shape. Cover the entire slide with this shape. This effect helps to highlight individual team members, making the introduction more dynamic and engaging. Drag the yellow point on the donut shape to focus on one of your team members. This draws attention exactly where you want it, creating a focal point on the person you're introducing. Right-click on the donut shape, select Format Shape. Under Fill, adjust the transparency to 22%. This creates a subtle spotlight effect, ensuring the background image remains visible but slightly muted. Now let's introduce our team member. Insert text for their name and a brief description. Format it to match your slide style. Use fonts and colors that are easy to read and visually appealing. Personalization is key. It makes your slides engaging and informative. Now duplicate the slide. Repeat the process. Move the donut shape to focus on another team member. Change the name and description. Do this for all your team members. This ensures each team member gets their moment in the spotlight. To add that final touch of professionalism, select all the slides and apply the Morph transition. This creates a smooth and engaging animation between slides, giving your presentation a polished look. And just like that, you've created a stunning Our Team slide in PowerPoint. Simple, yet highly effective. This technique not only introduces your team, but also keeps your audience engaged with smooth transitions and a professional look. And here's a special treat for you. Download the free template used in this video by clicking the link in the description. Save time and impress your audience with professional slides effortlessly. Follow us on social media for the latest updates and exclusive content. See you in the next video.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button, bell icon, all notifications, and smash the like button so you can let YouTube know that you are enjoying what you're watching.